pandemic has shown us and taught us so much that perhaps pharmaceutical industry is the only industry which has got benefited during this pandemic. In fact, if you look at our own journey before pandemic and after pandemic, you will see there's a lot of growth in pharmaceutical industry. Almost 41% growth has been achieved in pharmaceutical industry. Having said this, the exports, domestic market, as well as the API market and other markets have also grown. Now, this pandemic situation has resulted into a very different paradigm which we need to study and develop business models for pharmaceutical industry. In fact, pharmaceutical industry is looking for different models because now, looking at the education which has taken place over a period of time in pandemic of the patients are really looking at not cure alone, but the prevention of that particular disease. So, in this case, what is happening is that we have to deal with the proactively with the patients. So, the patient divide which was there between rural and urban, it was difficult for us to really go to the rural areas as much in urban areas. Now this particular gap is totally filled up by telemedicine, telediagnostics, teleprescriptions. So you have a very different kind of picture tomorrow emerging, which was earlier a drawback in India in terms of primary and secondary healthcare. Now it is widening. Now if this is the case, you will find gadgets which are coming, technological advances are coming on your mobile, you know your health very well, and also presence of our traditional medicines. So integrative medicines is also important for us to really look at this particular junction for the health of people. We do not want disease-free Indians, we want healthy Indians. And for this purpose, what kind of paradigms are changing for business models of pharmaceuticals? Just read this article and you will get them.